Hello, students. This week is primarily a WEX week. We are wrapping up all of your projects and the semester. So you're going to focus on reflecting on the feedback you receive in WEX, continue to give feedback. And then the third thing you're going to be doing this week is posting your symposium project on the discussion forum and giving feedback. Now, what you need to know about the symposium on the discussion forum is that I've put you into smaller groups so that you can really engage with one another's projects. And so, quite frankly, you're not overwhelmed by looking at everybody's symposium. So you're in small groups of 3. As you watch one another's projects, think about how you can engage and give useful feedback. Keep in mind that you're not necessarily giving feedback for a revision here. Instead, engage with their thoughts and ideas. What made you really interested in their project? What would you like to hear more about? What questions do you have about what they've talked about? Is there anything that doesn't seem right or seems kind of odd or maybe oversimplified? I encourage you to have conversations that explore the complexities and the gray areas of each of those symposium projects. And this symposium participation will also count as your discussion forum participation this week. So continue to do the good work you've been doing. I look forward to seeing you on the discussion forums, and I look forward to seeing your final projects.